F&B industry is one of the fastest growing industries in the world. Along with offering a great food, a great service is also a lookout. People are willing to pay for service more than the food. When we visit a restaurant, we are offered a seat and the server often says, "Please let me know if you need anything." But how can we find the steward when we need something? Should we scream out his or her name, or should we keep waving our hands to get attention? So, to overcome these scenarios and result in an effective communication with the stewards, we have introduced SEWA Waiter Calling System. It's a simple wireless system comprising of call buttons, displays, and watches. SEWA gives your business great benefits and a more streamlined workflow. By a simple click of various given buttons, call, bill, drink, on SEWA, it will send a message to customized watches and centralized display informing about who wants service or attention, and the steward can show up on the respective table when needed. SEWA can benefit your business in various ways, some of which are better guest experience. The guest or customer can quickly and discreetly ask for the staff's attention and service on click of a button. Increase in revenue. Happy guests means more money. Our clients experience from 5 to 9% increased revenue, some even more. Faster table turnaround. SEWA provides guests with an easy way to let your staff know that they wish to pay or need service, making room for new guests. More efficient staff. Freedom for staff as well as being more productive and flexible, thus saving time and energy. Contact. Ready to evolve and transcend your business? Call us on +91 80 107 297 29 or email us on demo@jpnovations.com. Also, you can visit us at jpnovations.com.